What a beauty, just in, direct off the last owner. This car we supplied previously back in 2018 with just 9,000 miles. It is still amazing low mileage car with just 32,000 miles, 32,778 to be exact. 2010 on a 10 plate, a Mini Cooper Graphite Special Edition, finished in dark silver metallic. It is absolutely outstanding for its age with, as I said, just 32,000 miles. Absolutely beautifully kept, two owner car. Let's take you around it and show you how nice this little beauty is. 1.6 petrol, just over 120 brake horsepower, so a little pocket rocket. Good size boot on the minis for the size of the vehicle. Beautifully clean, got split folding rear seats. All toolkit there complete. All the loading area, the rear bumper, no scratches, no dents, no scuffs. Nice chrome tailpipe there. All down the bodywork, it is gorgeous. It's got the black roof, which was an option, the black roof and the mirror caps. We've just had all the wheels professionally sandblasted and powder coated. Just gone through our workshop with new rear brake discs and pads, as well as a full service. Plenty of tread on the tyres. Ready to drive away today. So all down the sides, it is beautiful. There we go, Graphite Special Edition. No scrapes, no dents, no scratches, no little dings. Again, just to show you the front wheel. So sandblasting and powder coating, which means they're going to last a long time. Again, the front tyre, plenty of tread all across the front. No nasty scrapes or scratches, and hardly any stone chips that I can see. It really is amazing for a 2010 car. Just fabulous. Around £1,400 worth of factory fitted options from new. They really are a great fun car to drive. Very punchy, as I mentioned, just over 120 brake horsepower. And again, the final wheel and the tyre. So as you can see, all very good. And this is why we do the videos, so you know exactly what you're going to get before you even leave your home. All the door trims in great condition. Again, no damage to those. Beautiful inside. All the trims, all the seats in great condition, all the headlining, no damage. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. So as you can see, the driver's seat again in great condition. No rips, tears, burns, anything like that. All the interior trim across the dashboard, again, not been abused. Push button start. So there we go, 32778. 32778, 2010 car. Incredibly low mileage. As I said, it's one that was previously supplied back in 2018 with just 9,000 miles. Stereo CD, USB, media input.
Actually, it's 100% new. The cracks have started appearing, and you just give me the ink. If I trade you in now at Samsung.
Very nice clear display for the radio. Air conditioning, electric window switches there, 6-speed manual gearbox, Got the exterior pack, which is the electric folding and heated door mirrors. Again, this was an option when it was new. As I mentioned, around £1,400 just over of factory fitted options. A nice and genuine example, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, part exchange always a pleasure. As I mentioned, we do the videos to show you exactly how nice all our cars are, so nothing is left to chance, giving you the confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 out of our website, so if you fancy 2 o'clock in the morning, simply hit reserve, and if the car is not as described, we'll refund your money, no questions asked. Many customers ask us to reserve cars without deposit. We're very sorry, but the only way is to commit yourself if you want the car. But you do have the full money back guarantee, so if it's not as described, we'll refund your deposit. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke on Trent, Staffordshire, established over 25 years. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Any further information, please give us a call 01782 822 700. If you want a more personalised video of any aspect we may have missed, we can happily send you that. Our phone number again is 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.